Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel at the Icon Tech Solutions. Today I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook page name using the latest Facebook interface. So guys, if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video if it helps you out, and hit that bell notification icon so you never miss an update from us. So guys, without further delay, let's get started. So guys, here I am logged into the desktop version of my Facebook account on my computer. You can also do that through the Facebook app. However, please make sure you are logged into the account that manages the page you want to change. Now, let's move on to the next step. Simply navigate to your Facebook page. To do that, on the left hand side of your screen, you will see a menu right here. Scroll down a bit and click on Pages. Once you do that, you will see a list of all the pages that you manage. Then select the page you would like to change the name. In my own case, for the sake of this video, I will be selecting this one right here. So we allow it to open. Alright, so now it's open. So once you're on your page, simply look for the settings button. It is usually located at the bottom left side menu on the desktop version. Or you might need to click on the three horizontal lines, that is the menu icon, if you are doing this via your Facebook app. So click on Settings. Once you've done that, at the left hand corner of your screen, scroll down a bit and look for the option that says Page Setup on the list. Once you find it, click on it. Here you will see different fields you can edit, including your page name. Now, check on the name field option, click on the View button. Once you do, you will see two different options, which is your page name and your username. Here, you can edit the one you wish to change. So, let's first change the name. Click on Edit. Then here, you can now add the new page name which you would like to change. Please make sure that the new name you input follows Facebook guidelines, such as no special characters, no capital letters unless they are appropriate, and lastly, the new name should accurately represent what your page is all about. In my own case, I will be changing my page name from what it is right now to something unique which I would like to change it to. So to do that, I'll simply highlight this and then type in the name which I would like to use. Alright, good. So once you are sure of the name you've typed, so click on the request change. Alright, so it's asking me to input my password. So I'll just, alright, so I've inputted my password. I'll still click on request change button. Alright, so give me an error, creating content with this name is not allowed. Try this. Okay, so what will happen is I would make all of them small letter, alright, and then try it again. Alright, I'll go with this. So I'll just click on review change. So it's requesting that I put my password again. Okay, so I'll just do that quickly. Okay, so I'm done. I'll click on request change. Voila! So finally, the name is good to go. At this point, Facebook will begin reviewing your request. However, please note that the review process may take up to 3 days before it gets approved, and they may ask for additional information to confirm the change if necessary. Alright, so guys, while we wait for Facebook to review the change, we we would take a look at changing the username of this particular page, because we've changed the name and we can't just leave the username like that. We have to also make it to look alike with the name you've changed. So guys, you click on the edit button, and then here is where you change the username. So let's remove it and then check if our name is available. So we'll type the same name that we used in our name section. All right, so as you can see, our username is available. So this username is what will show at the URL section of your page whenever you people are trying to type your Facebook page. So as you can see, that is where it will show facebook.com/ your username, whatever be your username, that is where it will show. All right, so guys, once you are done, you click on save changes. So we wait, so we allow it to load. Good. So now we have successfully changed our username as well, and to check it, we'll click on page setup. Click on page setup and allow it to load. Yeah, so guys, as you can see, the name has been changed. All right, it didn't even take long. So click on view, and then you can see here that the username, the name itself has been changed, and the username has been changed as well, facebook.com/DIReady-supplies. All right, so guys, now the name has been successfully changed. At least you've seen how to change your Facebook page name and then your username. So here are some troubleshooting tips that you should know, because I've seen so many cases where a couple of persons get back to me with complaints that their name change request was denied. So please ensure your new name complies with the Facebook guidelines. That is number one. Number two is check if you have any recent changes, because Facebook restricts frequent name changes. And number three, please ensure your page isn't undergoing other major changes simultaneously. All right, so now you successfully requested a name change for your Facebook page. I guess that's it. That's all you need to do. Now let's take a look at how it looks on our main page. Now you do that by clicking on the Facebook logo here. So now at the left hand corner of your screen, you would see the menu that says shows all this. Then click on see more, then click on pages. So here you would be shown a list of all the pages that you manage. All right, I don't know why it is delaying, but let me click on that again. All right, good. So here you see a list of all the pages that you manage. So this is the one that we corrected. You see the name that we changed. So let's click on it. So guys, you are good to go. So you see the name here has been changed from the previous name it was bearing before to the new one, which I have changed it to. And please remember that you cannot change this until after 6 months again. So whatever name that you put, be sure that that is the name that you want your page to bear. And for the username here, this URL section, so if you look at it here, you would see that it now bears the name that we gave to it, DIReady-supplies. All right, yours will show the name that you've given to your page, all right, or to your username section. So guys, I guess that's it. I guess that's it. That's all you need to do. So please, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials, and hit the bell notification icon to get updates whenever I post new content. Alright, so guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.